Hi everyone, Anton Bond here with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate. We have a very beautiful property for you here. This one is located in North Newark, and this one is 3 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,100 square foot property sitting on a 6,100 square foot lot. And this one, folks, has been fully renovated from head to toe. Talking about brand new roof all the way down to the brand new flooring. This one sits in a cul-de-sac, which is perfect for safety because there's zero traffic. Let's take a look around. Welcome to your new home. Fully renovated from top to bottom, it is truly a ready-to-move-in home. Through the front door, you're introduced to a wide-open floor plan. Immediately to your right, there is your brand new kitchen, equipped with soft-close, shaker-style cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, premium stone countertops, modern-day backsplash that perfectly matches the countertops. The kitchen also includes a large waterfall island with additional integrated cabinets and drawers, which are all soft closing as well. And from the kitchen, you have a large adjacent living room with brand new flooring, recessed lighting, and an electric fireplace. From either the kitchen or living room, you have a clear view of the beautiful backyard. Heading towards the bedroom, there is the first of 3 bedrooms, having brand new flooring, recessed lighting, and double pane windows. The second bedroom comprises of the same high quality features. Check out the primary room. Wow, plenty of sunlight, brand new flooring, double pane windows, and recessed lighting. And into the primary bathroom, it is indeed impressive, comprising of a floating dual sink vanity, a large walk-in shower with luxury tiling, premium stone flooring, rainfall shower head and wand wrapped with a high-grade glass enclosure. The second bathroom is just as impressive, with a floating vanity, a large, fully tiled walk-in shower, rainfall shower head and wand, sun tunnel for that natural lighting, and premium stone flooring. This property sits on a large 6,100 square foot lot featuring a large backyard, 2-car garage, and a long driveway to solve the cul-de-sac street parking issue. In addition, the home features brand new flooring throughout, new roof and gutters, all new double pane windows, recessed lighting, new paint on the exterior and interior, waterfall kitchen island with modern hanging lights above, soft close shaker style cabinets and drawers, designer backsplash, new AC, new tankless water heater, sun tunnel lighting, and floating vanities in all bathrooms. Alright everyone, you've seen this property and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.